So guys, I'm sure you're wondering right now, seeing this image, or it's not an image, it's actually live gameplay, of this. What is this server? Now, this is a updated version of this server. This isn't live, this is 100% offline, you could say. But if I went and did this, now tell me where I am. So I'm going to walk over to this. I'm going to right click. And I've just given myself 100,000 manta rays. Imagine that in RuneScape. 100,000 manta rays. Yeah. I'm going to tell you straight up, guys. This is called GodzHll. GodzHll Reborn is the server client and source that I'm currently using. And you'll find that this is an updated version, which I don't entirely like because I wanted to set myself a challenge. Now, this is a second project after Legacy has been out and sort of done. So all I need to do for Legacy is port forward. So that's all I got to do. I'll bring you guys a video on that very soon in my next update. But that's all I have to do is just port forward, and that should be done. And then I can get the beta stages going. So there will be another update video on that very soon. So don't go away. So this is the updated GodzHll. There's a lot I don't like about it. So before people say it is a very well, it's not a custom server. I wouldn't say it's got customs in it. It's just really shambled everywhere. Everything's pretty much all over the place. That's basically how this server has always gone. So like in here, this has always been like this. This is like the mining area. I want to change the home because I don't like the home here, but I will do that soon. There will be a lot to do. There's the portals. You can click on that and go to all these different portals, which I really want to like play around with and get everything sorted. There's loads of different portals you can go in. Trade this guy here. He would give you all the bars you want, for example, and I can get myself one of these 5. Let's say another 10 bars. Then I can use them on the anvil, which give me a dagger, which will then give me 9. Which then I can put into making some of these, which makes all of them, and I get a good level from it. So there's a lot of things. If you've never ever seen it, then check out my other video, GodzHll. You guys will all enjoy that. There is actually a mining area, but to be honest, it's just a starting mining area. There's a lot I need to get rid of. All of this through here I want to get completely rid of, edited. I can't ever get a mouse. My mouse won't show up on XSplit. So I do want to get all this sorted. There's a lots of editing in this to do. Absolutely tons of editing. Doesn't seem to want to work. KBD doesn't want to work. Fish. Okay, maybe I've... Thieving. You guys can check it out. So there's tons of stuff to do on this. This may be a second source that I'm going to use, try and relaunch. But to be honest, I was going to do a PK one, but it didn't seem to go as well. So there's going to be a lot of playing around to do on this. I'm just going to currently call it GodzHll and just be done with it. GodzHll. I don't want to put Reborn because that just sounds a bit gay. So I'll probably put GodzHll something. But I've got some ideas for other servers that I want to do. So we will have a look. But besides that, guys, just let me know what you think. If you think it's a real stupid idea and don't bother, then just... What's PKer? If you think it's a shitty idea and there's no point in me doing this, then just say. But I would like to see a return for GodzHll just to get people up to date with what it actually is. So, you know, it could be. So maybe we'll sort something out. But tomorrow I'm going to be port forwarding on for Legacy. I'll try and sort all that out myself. and hopefully we can have some fun. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I am Luke, and I will see you guys again in another video.